Pantheon is the world's largest website management platform. We deliver lightning-fast elastic hosting and website development tools for teams. Today we'll walk through one of those tools, Pantheon Migrations, for migrating your existing WordPress site onto Pantheon. Let's get started, shall we? To start, make sure you're logged into your Pantheon account. You'll notice once you're logged in that there is now a Migrate Existing Site button in your site dashboard. You will also notice this button in your organization dashboard if you are a member of an organization using Pantheon. You can migrate sites from either place within your account. So let's head back to the site dashboard. To get my migration started, I click Migrate an Existing Site. Now I'm taken to a screen where I input the site URL for the site that I'm wanting to migrate. And next, I select WordPress, since I'm migrating a WordPress site for this example. Now go ahead and click on Continue. It's now time to name your site on Pantheon and choose the appropriate organization for the site if applicable. Click the Create Site button to continue your migration from here. On this next screen, you will be directed to install and authenticate the Pantheon Migrations plugin on the WordPress site that you are migrating. This plugin uses a machine token to authenticate and transfer all of your code, files, and database from your WordPress site to a new Pantheon site. You'll notice that throughout the migration process, you can always choose to cancel your migration or click to move over to a manual migration if desired. Staying on the recommended path, we now click Generate Machine Token and are taken to the next screen where we will actually install the Pantheon Migrations plugin for WordPress. First, click the Install on WordPress Admin button. You will be redirected to install the plugin and may be prompted to log into your WordPress site if you aren't logged in already. From the plugin page, click Install Now at the bottom right of your screen and then activate the plugin for your site. Now, from either the Settings link next to this plugin or the Pantheon Migrations tab, you'll be sent to the page where you enter your Pantheon site name and machine token credentials. From your Pantheon account, copy and paste your Pantheon site name and your machine token into the corresponding fields in the Migrations plugin settings page. Click Migrate, and your site is now officially migrating to Pantheon. The migration starts automatically, and you can follow along with progress from this status page. Also, be sure to go back into Pantheon and click Confirm Migration Progress, and you will see a persistent migration message until your site is fully moved over. Time for migration depends on the size and complexity of site, but most migrations are complete within an hour of starting. As soon as the migration is completed, you will see the Pantheon message change, and now we'll have a button to visit the site dashboard. You will see the commit of the migration in your site dashboard and can now launch the dev site in order to test that everything was imported properly. Once you've tested your dev site and see all is working properly, commit your dev site into test and again over into live when you are ready to launch your site on Pantheon. Migrating WordPress sites has never been easier. So what are you waiting for? Move your site to the fastest host on the planet.